art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Christmas, Minnie Mouse, Squishmallow. So first let's get started by drawing in the bow on the top. So in the center we're going to draw in a small circle in the middle. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line all the way up towards the side, curving that back in towards the middle. And we'll do the same thing as we move over towards the left-hand side, arching that up and then back in. Moving underneath this now, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that back in towards that point. And we'll flip over towards the left-hand side and replicate that. On the top left-hand corner now, we're going to draw in a half circle. Let's move over towards the right and replicate that. In the center now, we're going to draw in another circle. In the bottom right-hand corner, we're going to draw in another half circle. And then over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in our last half circle on the left-hand side. Let's move up on the right-hand side. Now we're going to draw in a circle in the top corner. On the top right-hand side, let's draw in our half circle. As we move in towards the middle, we'll replicate that, drawing another half circle. Let's do the same thing on the left-hand corner. And then one more time as we move down towards the bottom of our bow. On the right-hand side now, we're going to draw in an oval shape for the earmuffs. And then flipping over towards the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. On the top now, we're going to curve this line in towards our bow on either side. And then dropping below that, we'll replicate that again one more time. Let's draw in our ears now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then back down towards our earmuffs. And we'll do the same thing on the right-hand side, arching that out and then in. Let's draw in the rest of the body now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in, and then flipping over towards the right-hand side, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw a curved line that arches in towards the center. And then we'll do the same thing as we flip over on the right-hand side. Moving further up now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches in towards the middle. And then flipping over towards the right, we'll replicate that, blending that in the center. Moving up above, we're going to draw another curved line that arches in the middle. And then again on the right-hand side, we'll replicate that, blending that in towards our center line. One last time, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the center, leaving a thicker gap. And then we'll replicate that on the right, blending that in the middle. Let's move up in the center. We're going to draw in a sideways oval shape for the nose. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle for the eye. And now flipping over towards the left, we'll replicate that. For the eyelashes now, we're going to draw two curved lines that arch up. And we'll do this on both sides. For the face now, in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then down in the center. And we'll do the same thing on the right, joining that at a point there. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And now flipping over towards the left, we'll replicate that. Starting at that point again, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Now from here, let's close this off with a curved line from left to right, arching this all the way up and then over. Let's draw on the circle pattern on the bottom now. So on the corner, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Up above, we're going to draw in a half circle. On the left-hand corner, we're going to draw in another circle. Moving over towards the bottom, we're going to draw in a half circle, curving that around and then down. And now in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle. On the bottom, we're going to arch this line up and then down on the side. And then on the top, we're going to arch this down and then back up. And now moving over towards the right-hand side, we're going to arch this in towards the middle and then back out. And that is it. That's how you draw Christmas Minnie Mouse Squishmallow. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.